Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we are unboxing and reviewing these 3 products made by Xvida. So what we're unboxing is the wireless charging desk stand, along with the QI magnetic card, and the magnetic charging case. Now these products are kind of like Apple products. They're made really well, they're quite expensive, but I'm sure they will, for in this case, for example, the case, it will protect your device and it'll just work good. And it's kind of like, you know, how if you have an Apple Watch, you know, you can't use it without the iPhone. It's kind of like this is the Apple Watch and you can't use it without this. So it's kind of like an Apple community thing. So this is like the Apple of products in terms of charging cases and stuff like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you around the box of this first. This is the wireless charging desk stand, optimized for the iPhone XS Max, XS, and XR. In this case, I'm going to be using it on an iPhone XS Max for Xvida smartphone cases and accessories. Dock and charge, and then some information on the back there. Full QI compatibility, precision magnetic mounting, Xvida Power 2. On this one, this is the QI magnetic card. Now you might be like, what is this? Well, this is for if you want to use, for example, this case that I have right here. This is a Tech 21 case. If you want to use this case instead of this case, you have to use this product, so then it will work with this charger and stuff. So it's a little accessory here. It's not needed if you're getting one of these though. And this is the magnetic charging case for iPhone XS Max. Looks very nice. See on the back there, some information about it. Very cool. So let's go ahead and get into it. I guess I could open this up first. Looks like you just pull here, and well, there it is. Did they give me a free iPhone 10? No, I'm kidding. That's just, I'm sure, a little picture in the back. Pull up here, and very nice. Feels very, very nice. It's not too bulky, but I'm sure it will protect your phone perfectly fine. Very cool. Is there anything else? No, there isn't. Magnetic state. Oh, I know what that's for. Anyways, let's go ahead and put that over there and get into the QI magnetic card. So, yeah, you need to cut here, and then you just pull this out. At least I believe that's how it works. Oh, no, you go like that. Okay, cool. There it is. Awesome. Oh, this thing's tiny. There we go. And then it has adhesive on the back. Very thin, so it won't add any extra bulk to your phone. Pull out for the instructions. And then you have an extra 3M tape piece here. Let's put that off to the side and get into the wireless charging desk stand. Okay, there it is. Let's go and open it up. And there it is. Power adapter and cable. Pull that out. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's pull up here. And here is a micro USB, I believe. Charging cable, Xvida certified cable. It's nice, it's braided too. And then you have a power brick. Adaptive fast charging. That's awesome. Very cool. Set that off to the side. And what else is in here? I don't know. Let's go and pull up here, I guess. Right there. Alright. There's that. And I'm assuming the charger is in here. I get the dang thing out. There we go. Alright. Here it is. Kind of opening this up the wrong way, but... Wow, okay. That is a lot of cardboard. Here it is. Wow. Nice metal structure. Very nice. There's a little grippy pad there. And then here's your actual charger right here. Very nice. Awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Just a little bottom cardboard piece. Okay, very cool. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is set all this up and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so right now I'm recording with my iPhone 6s Plus. As you can tell, the charging stand is all set up. It's all plugged in. And when you plug it in, this X lights up. Very cool. It's not too bright, not too dim. And that stays on forever or until you unplug it. And then here I have my iPhone XS Max with the case on. It looks very, very nice. Now, if you look on the box of the case, it does say that it offers like edge protection. So if it falls on the screen, it's not actually falling on the screen. It's instead falling on the edge of the case. And that would normally be true if you didn't have a screen protector on. In this case, I do, and if I slide it, it's just sliding against the glass. But if you took your screen protector off, the case would do a good job on protecting the screen. Overall, the case is just really nice. You know, it's not bulky like an OtterBox. It's very nice. And in terms of clickiness of buttons, you know, you definitely have clickiness there. You can definitely feel when you click the buttons. And then for the, I guess, workability, I don't know what to call it, but if you could click the flick the ringer on and off, you can do that very easily. So I can just get my fingernail there. So it's very nice overall. I really like this, and I'm going to do a drop test in just a second, and then I'll go ahead and review the chart. Alright, so this is a drop test from about a foot, and I'm only doing this to see how well it protects the phone, and also to see if there's any damage to the case. So I'll do a corner drop test in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Screen is not cracked. Okay, you can see the impact point on the case itself, and you can really see it through the camera. Wow. In real life, it isn't that noticeable, but you can definitely see it a lot better through the camera. It looks like it's rubbing off, though. There you go. That's as much as it's gonna get. It doesn't look as bad in real life, though. I will assure you that. Now, I would look at the back normally, but sadly the back of my iPhone XS Max is shattered, so, you know, I wouldn't be able to tell if the case shattered it more or if not. But it seemed to do a pretty good job, so I'm pretty impressed so far. Alright, so something that I want to see really quickly is if this charger will in fact work without a case, or the Xvida case. That's only supposed to work with this, so let's go ahead and see. In this case, I don't have a case on here. Let's go ahead and put it on, and okay, it is charging, but I can feel, yeah, there's no magnetic pole to keep it on there. So it will charge, but without the case, it will not stay on there. So here I have the case, and you can see if I put it up, boom. Just like that, and that's a very strong magnet. Wow. It just pulled the phone right towards it. Let's do that again. As you can tell, it's charging, 95% charging. Very cool. So I'll go ahead and give a charging score on this in just a second. Alright, so the charging score is done, and as you can see, well, as you can't see, I guess I clicked OK already. The charging score was 408, which isn't too bad. Now you got to keep in mind the screen was also on during this time, so that brought the charging score down a little bit. You can tell here, took 119 seconds to charge 1% of your battery, which isn't too bad. Once again, considering the screen was on, 4.76 watts is what it was pulling, which is fast charging wattage, so fast charging is working. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do now is slip on this case. This is my Tech 21 case, and of course if you simply get your phone, put it in there, and then put it on here, it'll just fall off. So what you have to do is get the magnetic card, simply place it like this right there, or right around there, whichever way really. It's not too picky, and then simply fit your case over it. There you go, and there you go. 89% charge. So now it's sticking on there and it won't fall off now. Of course, the better positioning you get the magnetic card, the stronger the magnet will be. So pretty cool overall. What do I think of this stuff? Well, I'll tell you that in a minute. Alright, so what do I think of these products? Honestly, I think they're very good. Yes, they are expensive, but you are definitely getting what you paid for. The case quality, build quality is just so good. I'm very impressed with this. I've been using it for a couple of hours now, and it works just so well. I really like this case. The charger works great. Build quality, metal. I mean, I'm very impressed by it. Very, very nice. I'm very happy overall. So once again, expensive, but you are getting what you paid for. So I guess that's it for this video. Links will be in the description if you want to pick up one of these. And I hope everybody enjoys this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.